Hey everyone, Bill here. I'm getting ready to do a UFO, Alien3D UFO box for the month of December. So this just arrived on my doorstep today. My office is a little bit of a mess, but you can't really tell because I kind of positioned everything so you can't see everything. I'm building another printer, which is my ceramic bot, which is a, they call it a ceramic printer, but really it doesn't print ceramic, it prints clay. And then you can fire the clay in a kiln and then it becomes ceramic. So I'm opening up the box. Inside there is a card that says, "Happy Holidays, Bill. May all of your holiday wishes come true. Thank you for your support, Josh, Alien3D, Alien3D US UFO 18. I don't know what the white pellets are. They look like little styrofoam balls, probably to simulate snow, for a snow globe. Ah, that must be the project for the month, the snow globe. So there's the card I just got from Alien3D this month. Cool. Thank you, Josh. Appreciate it very much. I still think your box, your Alien3D UFO box every month is a kick-ass product. So I'm very pleased with it, and that's why I continue to support it over more than a year now. So here's the globe that's going to go for doing the, I imagine, like I said, it's probably a snow globe thing. So that's why the snowballs here, the little balls go inside to simulate snow with the snow globe. It looks like there is a jar of what do you call it? Gloop. Pet Gloop at that. So this is the pet version of Gloop. I supported Gloop in Kickstarter. I tried to support them again when they did their new version of the spray. I think it was a spray version. I'm not sure. Can't remember. I tried to support them again in that, but that fell through. They never got enough support to make it happen. So hopefully they get something going on that again soon, and I'll support them as I already have in the past. We got a Zealtech sticker in the box. There is a fan in the box. The problem with this snow globe won't have water. It probably just be blowing the little styrofoam balls around inside the globe. That'd be my guess. I mean, just assuming because of the fan. Looks like there's some kind of box here, control box that will hold batteries. So 1.5 volt AA batteries will hold in the box. And then we have Zealtech. We have the Zealtech sticker. We have the Zealtech filament, and it looks like it's a silk. Yep, a green silk, similar to like Emerald City green or something like that. Very similar. Nice, because I like green, by the way. I guess because I'm Irish, I like green. What can I say? So there's the Zealtech, and another package. It's an all Zealtech month. It looks like. So that's why Zealtech is the big sponsor of this month. Okay, so we have Nico's Hot Rod Red Silk from Zealtech. Another silk. So silk means it's shiny. That's what they really mean by silk. And then we have a gold silk, which really looks more yellow than gold to me. That's my thing. And then we have a blue. So my two favorite colors right here. Right there. Blue and green. Those are my two favorite colors. All Zealtech month. Thank you, Zealtech. Thank you, Josh. There's a button inside too that says, "I have been abducted by Alien3D." So let's see if I can get this to turn it and show it. I don't know if you can see that very well. My autofocus isn't working right. I tried to adjust the focus, but had no luck. And then there's two Andes minced chocolates. And that's it for the box. So again, thank you, Zealtech. Thank you, Josh, Alien3D. Appreciate it very much. Hopefully I have time to work on this between my other printer and everything that I'm trying to build, and I still haven't done any clay yet. I do have clay. I have it all ready to go. I've done the zeroing. I've done the bed leveling. I've done everything I can to get it ready. I have a 50-pound package right here, 50 pounds of clay right here. Right here, 50 pounds. So the only thing I need to do is thin it out. I gotta have water to it and mix it up. And then it will be ready to try and load into the tubes and try extruding the clay. I have a model already picked out to do. I modified a model, so I'm going to make a special coffee cup. And we'll see how that works out. So that's it. Alien3D UFO Box, December 2019. In the books. Done. Build it. Out.